This is the WYSIWYG training video introduction. I'm going to take some time in the next few videos to show you exactly what this WYSIWYG tool is and how you can better use it to write articles. As you see, WYSIWYG stands for what you see is what you get. The basic idea is that the web is built of code, but most of us don't know how to write the code that makes the web work. And so this WYSIWYG editor kind of bridges the gap for us, so that I can write things here and make it look the way I want, and the WYSIWYG editor will do all the heavy lifting and write the code, generate the code in the background that will make this text look the way I want it when someone views it in their web browser. So notice I have some bold text, I have some italics, I also have an underlined word here, and I didn't have to write any code to make that happen. I simply just typed what I wanted and used the tools in the WYSIWYG editor to make it look right. But if I show you what's happening under the hood here in this Edit HTML source button, you're going to see there's a lot more happening than just the text. Notice this paragraph tag, this bold tag, this is an italics tag, and this is an underline tag, and those were all generated by this WYSIWYG editor. I didn't have to write a single line of code. It did that automatically for me. So that's the beauty of what the WYSIWYG editor does for us, but it also kind of is a drawback because that means that I don't know what's going on in the background. Unless I know HTML and use this button, I can't tell exactly what's happening in the background. So things might get a little messed up in there, and I wouldn't know the difference. All that would happen is the front end would start doing strange things, or I wouldn't be able to get certain things to happen. And if that happens to you, if things start acting funny or looking strange, or it's not working the way you need it to work, your best bet is either to talk to somebody who knows HTML and have them look through it real quick, or to just copy all of your text. I'm going to do this right now, and restart. So I'm going to go ahead and delete the stuff that I just copied. So I'm starting from nothing. Notice if I come up here, this window is now blank, so there's no coding anywhere, so I've deleted all the broken coding. I'm going to use this paste as plain text button to paste the text that I want back in, and now it has removed all the code so that there's nothing broken. I also want to show you one more tool before I end the video. It's this button here, Toggle Full Screen Mode. And the reason we want to show you is because this box here that I'm using to view my article is very small. Especially if I'm using pictures or a lot of text, it's just not going to cut it. But if I use this button, notice that it makes the WYSIWYG editor expand to use the full width of my browser. So that makes it very easy for me to be able to edit and arrange things and format them, make them work the way I want them, and see it the way I want to see it. And notice it's kind of like an on or off switch. Right now it is on. I have full screen mode engaged, and it is highlighted in orange. If I want to turn it off, kind of deactivate it, I just click it again, and now I'm out of full screen mode. So it's kind of an on or off switch functionality there. That's your introduction to WYSIWYG. There'll be some more details in the following videos.